Hi everyone. So let's start this LeetCode problem number 15 3 sum. The problem states like given an array integer array nums return all the triplets nums of I, nums of j, nums of k such that I is not is equal to k, j, I is not is equal to k, and j is not is equal to k, and nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of k is equal to k. So let's go to the whiteboard and see. So this is the sum 3 code, and the condition is like I shouldn't is equal to j shouldn't is equal to k, and I is not is equal to k. And this is the first condition. The second condition states like we need to find the triplets such that nums of 1, nums of 2, and nums of 3 should be is equal to 0. This is the second condition, and the third condition is like the index cannot be duplicated. This is the index, it shouldn't be duplicated. So this is the uh, you can say basically like two conditions. Now let's start with the example. So if we have the nums of array containing -1 0 1 2 -1 -4, the output should be two one array containing two array. First one is -1 -2 -1 -1 2. Second is like -1 0 1. The brute force approach would be like we run the three loops to take all the sum, and the time complexity would be 0 big of and cube. So the better approach would be like first we will sort the array. Like first we will sort the array, then we will keep one value constant, then we would keep one value constant and run the two pointer from the next element. So it is like let's have example this -1 0 1 2 -1 -4. So we would just sort the array first: -4 -1 -1 0 1 2. Then we would keep the one value constant. So let's take a one value -4, and we would run the uh, two pointer in on this array. So the two pointers we would be like the first pointer will point this element, and the second pointer we would point this element, last element. And if we get the sum as the zero, if we get the sum as the zero, then we would store the elements in the HashSet, because the HashSet because in the HashSet the duplicate will go away, and the time complexity is and the complexity will be like big of n square. So let's code it out now. So this is the first base condition. If array is equal to null, or array dot len is less than is equal to 3, we would return the empty array list. Then we would just sort the array. We would run the for loop here. We would initialize the two pointer left and right. And we would run the while loop. if we get the sum is equal to 0, we would just store the element in the HashSet. So let's create the HashSet element. Else else the if the sum is less than 0, we would just the left pointer will go ahead, and if it isn't, the right pointer, we have to minus the right pointer. So, and we would return the array list containing the result. That's it. Let's see if it's working or not. So the time limited is exceeded. Why is it so? So the time limit was exceeded. We forgot this condition here. Now let's run it. See if it's working. Yeah, it is correct. So it passed all the test cases. So the time complexity is big O of n square. Say it is similar to the two pointer to the two sum, where we keep where we have the two pointer from the first, from the starting and the last, and we find the sum. For this question, the time complexity is big O of n square. For the two sum, the prime complexity is big O of n. So thank you for watching.